Today's quick tip is about Facebook personal profile and Facebook brand page. Still, I see a lot of people are using their personal profile to promote their business content. That is a wrong practice. So essentially, you should know the difference between Facebook personal profile and Facebook brand page. So let's see that in detail. So on your screen, you can see on left hand side is the screenshot of my personal profile, whereas on the right hand side is my agency Crowd Multipliers brand page screenshot. The difference over here is this: on the personal profile you would see something like friends, and on brand page you will see something like likes or followers. The mechanism works a little differently over here. When you want to get connected with someone on the Facebook personal profile, then you need to add them as friend. Once the person accepts the request, then only you can have that connection. But on the brand page, there is no need to send any kind of request. Just click this like button and immediately you will start getting all the updates by that particular page. There are a few other differences which one must know, and those are: the maximum number of friends is limited to 5,000 at the moment on personal profile, whereas there is no such limitations on number of followers. You can have millions and billions of followers on brand page. And that is the reason why somebody would create a brand page. Profiles are not having access to features like poll, recommendations, check-in, post insights, etc. Whereas Facebook brand pages can take benefits of these features for marketing. From personal profile, you can't promote a post, so there is no control on target audience, whereas Facebook pages are designed to promote a content to specific target audience. Retargeting is obviously not possible on profile, whereas that can be done on brand pages. No admin can be added to your profile, whereas multiple admins can be added to manage a page. That way you can be sure, someone else is also working on your page. It is against Facebook policy to use profile for sale of products. I'm repeating this. It is against Facebook policy to use profile for sale of products, whereas Facebook pages offer various mechanisms to sell a product or service. So now I hope you would be very clear on the subject of difference between Facebook personal profile and Facebook brand page, and why you should not use Facebook personal profile to promote your business. So implement this and follow for more tips.